receiving less and less capitation.
Kenya Union of Post-Primary Teachers, KUPPET, in Nandi County and a section of political leaders in the region led by Nandi Senator Samson Cherargei have opposed a government plan to reclassify hardship areas, warning that it could deprive thousands of teachers of vital allowances without proper consultation. Speaking during KUPPET annual general meeting at Kimwani Secondary School in Tinderet, Nandi County, the KUPPET union and political class criticized the sudden and abrupt nature of the plan, which they claimed was only made public through media reports. The union has accused the government of sidelining key stakeholders in a decision which they say could significantly disrupt the education sector if not addressed accordingly.
That hardship, the moment it is done away with, then forget about the quality of education in Tinderet. Teachers will move from this region because this is really hardship.
In fact, I am pushing through the Equalization Fund of Article 204 to increase the number of hardship areas in Nandi County. I am pushing that all civil servants, including teachers, in Nandi County, there are so many challenges that we need to increase hardship areas so that our teachers and civil servants can get more areas ya kuwa motivated.